What's up, YouTubers? Just wanted to share a brief tutorial with you on how to get your recording meter on Serato DJ Pro to respond. This, of course, is for those of you that have the DJM S11 Pioneer mixer. You're using Serato DJ Pro and you're using it on a MacBook Pro. Not sure if this feature works on a PC, but it may. Or not sure if PC users are even having this issue. So what I did, and I kind of stumbled upon this, I come over to settings here in the top right corner. When you click on settings, that opens up your settings window. Make sure you click on the audio tab, come down and click custom. When you click custom, it should open up your pre-installed DJM S11 setting utility application. Once you get this open, you can click on mixer output if it doesn't already open up to it. And when you get to mixer output, go down to this USB 5 and 6 and click the drop down. Once you click the drop down, click on crossfader A, then come back to this and click on mix record out. Then you can close the setting utility window, click back on the settings option in Serato DJ Pro. And once you do that, you should get a recording readout, and we'll just show you here real quick. So there you have it. The meter works. Now you can record whatever mix or edit that you have ready to record in Serato DJ Pro. Now, mind you, I did this probably several months ago. That's when I initially stumbled upon this process in this fix. And then today I wanted to record a mix and I wasn't getting a readout. Went back in and followed those steps and it worked again. So this may be something that you have to continuously do until hopefully Serato and Pioneer have a fix for this little glitch, because I've gone on the internet and I exhausted all of the different possibilities, even setting up the system settings for the Mac, going in and making sure for the input and output that I had the DJM S11 selected under the sound settings, and none of that worked. None of that fixed it. Make sure also you have your volume here turned up to probably about 90% of the way. You don't want to be too far in the red, of course, but you want it loud enough so your recording is nice and clear. Hopefully this helps. Please like and subscribe. There'll be more content that I'll upload to YouTube. And all my fellow turntable brothers and sisters, comment in the chat. Let me know who you are so I can follow your page. I definitely follow back. And let's build. Let's continue to support each other, whether you're on Twitch or Go, or you're on Mixcloud, SoundCloud, whatever outlet you're on, you're uploading mixes. Let me know. Be happy to follow you and continue to grow as we adapt as DJs in this DJ universe. And this technology is awesome, but it comes with its glitches. Everybody have a good one. Until next time.